Sexually transmitted diseases, STDs, also known as sexually transmitted infections, STIs, are infections that are primarily spread through sexual contact. They can be caused by bacteria, viruses, or parasites. Here are some of the most common STDs. Chlamydia, caused by the bacterium Chlamydia trachomatis. It can infect both men and women and often doesn't show symptoms, making regular screening important. Gonorrhea, caused by the bacterium Neisseria gonorrhea. It can infect the genitals, rectum, and throat. Symptoms may include painful urination and abnormal discharge. Syphilis, caused by the bacterium Treponema pallidum. It progresses through stages, starting with sores and potentially leading to serious health issues if untreated. Human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, the virus that leads to AIDS. HIV attacks the immune system and can be managed but not cured with antiretroviral therapy. Human papillomavirus, HPV, a group of viruses that can cause genital warts and are linked to several cancers, including cervical cancer. Vaccines are available to protect against the most harmful strains. Herpes simplex virus, HSV, HSV1 typically causes oral herpes, while HSV2 is responsible for genital herpes. It leads to sores and blisters in the infected areas. Trichomoniasis, caused by a parasite called Trichomonas vaginalis. It can cause itching, burning, and discharge but is often asymptomatic. Hepatitis B, a viral infection that affects the liver and can be spread through sexual contact, sharing needles, or from mother to child at birth. Vaccines are available. Molluscum contagiosum, caused by a pox virus. It results in small, painless bumps on the skin. It can be spread through direct skin-to-skin contact. Mycoplasma genitalium, a bacterial infection that can cause urethritis, cervicitis, and pelvic inflammatory disease. Prevention strategies include consistent and correct use of condoms, regular screening and testing, vaccination for HPV and hepatitis B, mutual monogamy with a tested, uninfected partner, reducing the number of sexual partners. If you have any specific questions or need information on symptoms, treatments, or prevention,